May nakausap akong buyer dati. Sabi niya sa akin, Ma'am, gusto ko sana mag-pre-selling kasi mas mura siya ngayon. Excited siya, ready ang budget, mukhang decided na talaga. So nag-start kami ng discussion. Location, developer, payment terms. Everything was clear. Pero after ilang months ng process, bigla siyang nag-message ulit. Ma'am, hindi ko pala kaya yung waiting game. And doon ko mas naintindihan. Minsan hindi issue ang property. Hindi rin issue ang presyo. Issue is expectation. Akala natin kaya natin maghintay. Akala natin okay lang ang 3 to 5 years na development. Akala natin ready tayo sa journey. Pero real estate is not just about buying property. It's also about understanding yourself. Kaya ko bang maghintay? Align ba siya sa lifestyle ko ngayon? Ready ka ba sa long-term commitment? Kasi hindi lahat ng pre-selling masama. At hindi rin lahat ng pre-selling perfect para sa lahat. Ang pinaka-importante, tamang property, plus tamang timing, plus tamang expectation. Real talk. Sometimes the problem is not the deal you chose, but the expectation you didn't prepare for. Ikaw, kung bibigyan ka ng pre-selling property ngayon, kaya mo bang maghintay hanggang turnover? If you want guidance in choosing the right pre-selling property based on your goal, budget, and lifestyle, message me. As a licensed real estate broker, I'd be happy to help you make a clearer decision.